Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with Trevor Castiglione. Trevor is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here again.
Thank you for having me.
So today we're talking about bringing up old debates that council has discussed and made decisions on in the past. In what circumstance would you bring up an old issue that has already been decided by council?
Well, it'll be one that almost every candidate will be speaking to. It will be the OPP-OPS debate and the savings that some state is there and some state isn't there. I myself feel that issue definitely needs to come back. I love OPS, don't get me wrong, but when you're talking about a savings to that degree, it has to be better explored. I don't think council had all of their information in front of them. I personally went through much of that information and I spoke at many of the different meetings for OPP-OPS. And I don't think council, other than having information handed to them, did any of their own homework on the matter. We need guarantees from OPP. If they're going to give us that kind of savings, we need to know Orangeville's going to have the same service, the same quality of service, the same protection, dedication that OPS has. Yes, it is a huge cost savings to go to OPP, but are they really going to give us the guarantees that we're going to have the same service as OPS? Apples to apples comparison is the best way to explain it. We didn't get that last time.
Okay, so that would be an instance where you would revisit it?
Very much so.
Yeah.
And I'm sure that there are other issues that will come back. I mean, there's definitely many of them that council has addressed. And I think anything that needs to come back that's going to save the taxpayers money, bring it back.
Fair enough. Thanks for giving us a thorough answer to that question. If you'd like to see more of what Trevor has to say, please do take a look at the links below, and thanks for watching.